Good evening. This is Module 9, Behavior Guidance and Self-Regulation. Wow, don't we all want to hear about this week? Lots of good things going to be happening. We have 5 objectives this week, all centered around positive behavior guidance. We're going to be looking at understanding child development and how to promote positive guidance. We're going to be defining and interpreting what is positive behavior guidance. What does that actually look like? What are the attitudes, interactions, and skills that are needed to support positive guidance? We're challenging you to implement strategies and techniques that will support positive guidance in your particular site. And then we're going to be talking about the importance of self-regulation. So how are we going to do all that? We're going to start out by reading portions of chapters 3 and 7 in your e-textbook. And then you have 2 online lectures, so make sure that you check those out. The first one is called The Goals of Positive Behavior Guidance, and then the second one is called Positive Behavior Guidance. In your discussion this week, the topic is, do timeouts teach appropriate behaviors? So we all have lots of different opinions on timeouts. So for this one, you're going to share your opinion, but then you need to do some research and make sure that you cite your research to support whatever view you've chosen. So there's different viewpoints out there, and if you have a viewpoint, look and find something that can support that. The second discussion post that I make this week is actually a PowerPoint on behavior guidance from Gartrell's 4-steps system, and it's developed by another adjunct and I, and then we presented it at some conferences. So I put that in for you, so I hope that you enjoy that as well. For the written assignment this week, we're here. You're going to be able to put your lesson plan template aside because you've completed it now. You've completed that template. So this week goes back and it's a written paper for Module 9. And the first thing you're going to do is actually implement your lesson plan. Yay, you finally get to do it. You've been working hard at developing each part of it, and now you're going to implement it. Remember that you can implement it with a group of children, but in the paper, you're going to be documenting the effectiveness of how it went, and that's only referring to how it went for your selected child. So the paper, you're going to have a written paper this week and also in week 10 next week. And again, that one too is just referring to your selected child. So even though you implement with a group, don't focus on assessing the whole group, just assess the child that you selected for this quarter. Please use your scoring rubric because it gives you specific criteria that I'm looking for in that paper this week. And so make sure that you check that out so that you can get all those in there. And then the timesheet, again, to fill that in and get it sent in on time. Remember, next week in week 10 is our final week for timesheets. So make sure that you're going to look like you're going to have enough hours, or you might have to put a little bit extra in this week and next week to make sure you have that minimum of 180 hours. So that's this week. Like I said, it's an important topic. I know whenever we do webinars through the School of Education, people are always asking us, can you do things on challenging behaviors and positive guidance? And so we do a lot of them, and you'll get some things this week in this course module as well. So have a great week, and reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.